Welcome to Satori Hair and Beauty Bar, bringing West End quality and service to West Essex and East London. As featured on The Only Ways Essex, Satori is quickly becoming the salon of choice for the local who's who. Come in and enjoy a glass of champagne while we pamper you, and why not get your nails done at the same time? Based in Loughton High Street and opposite New Bar and Marks & Spencer's, our hand-picked team of creative stylists and technicians will produce any look you desire, catering for all your hairdressing needs. Stocking the most prestigious products available, like Kerastase, Moroccan Oil, L'Oreal Professional and Techniart, we aim to help you maintain your salon look right up until your next visit. To book an appointment, call 020 8508 0000. We look forward to seeing you in the salon soon.